Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the 5 best camping popcorn makers of 2024. We'll review the Westbend Stir Crazy, Great Northern Campfire Popper, Great Northern Stovetop Popper, POPCO Silicone Microwave Popper, and the Vminno Hot Air Popcorn Popper. Perfect for movie nights, parties, or your next camping adventure. Stay tuned to find your ideal popcorn maker. Number 5. The Westbend Stir Crazy Popcorn Machine is a fantastic choice for popcorn enthusiasts. Its 6-quart capacity and vented clear cover, which doubles as a bowl, make it convenient and practical. The motorized stir rod ensures all kernels pop, delivering impressive results with no unpopped kernels. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick coated plate, and the cord wraps neatly under the unit for tangle-free storage. Users appreciate its ability to produce perfectly popped, fluffy popcorn without any burned pieces. Some prefer using their own bowls for serving, but the included bowl is suitable for smaller portions. The compact design with a nesting lid is ideal for those with limited storage space. It's important to avoid placing the red lid on during popping to prevent melting. Overall, this popper delivers excellent performance and is highly recommended for anyone who loves homemade popcorn. Number 4. The Campfire Popcorn Popper by Great Northern Popcorn Company is an excellent addition to any camping or backyard bonfire experience. Its 4-quart capacity and aluminum construction ensure quick and even popping, while the innovative design allows moisture to escape, resulting in crunchy, delicious popcorn. The cool tube handle extends to 22.8 inches, keeping your hands safely away from the heat. Cleanup is simple with the quick clip lid. A quick wipe down is all it takes. Although storage might be a bit tricky due to the pot size, its versatility can make it useful for other cooking tasks. Some users report the lid and handle feeling loose, requiring careful handling and occasional adjustments. Despite these minor issues, the popper works well and adds a fun, nostalgic touch to any campfire. If you're looking for a unique way to enjoy popcorn outdoors, this product is a great choice. Number 3. The Great Northern Popcorn Company's Stovetop Popcorn Maker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially for popcorn lovers. Its 6-quart capacity allows you to make a large batch of fresh, theater-style popcorn in just minutes. The stay-cool wooden handle and durable metal gears ensure ease of use, while the built-in paddle continuously stirs the popcorn to prevent scorching. The vented lid helps keep your popcorn crunchy by allowing excess steam to escape. Users love its lightweight aluminum construction, which heats up quickly and is easy to clean with just a wipe. Though some find the pan a bit unstable when turning the crank, the overall performance is excellent, with minimal unpopped kernels and no burning. Ideal for movie nights, get-togethers, and game room parties. This popcorn maker is both practical and fun to use, providing a delightful popcorn-making experience that surpasses microwave popcorn. Number 2. The POPCO Silicone Microwave Popcorn Popper is a convenient and efficient way to make popcorn. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone, this popper is both durable and safe for family use. Its collapsible design with a 2.3-inch collapsed height makes it easy to store. The light blue popper can hold up to 15 cups of popcorn, perfect for family movie nights or gatherings. Simply add kernels and your preferred seasonings and microwave for a few minutes. Users appreciate that it doesn't require oil for popping, making it a healthier option compared to traditional microwave popcorn bags. Cleanup is straightforward, as it's dishwasher safe. Some users note that the popper can get very hot, so caution is needed when handling it. While it may leave a few unpopped kernels, these can be easily repopped. Overall, the POPCO Popper is praised for its ease of use, quick popcorn preparation, and space-saving design. Number 1. The Vminno Quick and Easy Hot Air Popcorn Popper Maker is an excellent choice for healthy popcorn lovers. This white, 4.5-quart popper uses hot air technology to pop kernels, eliminating the need for oil and producing a low-calorie snack in just 3 minutes. With a 98% popping rate, it's efficient and perfect for family movie nights or parties. The one-touch start button simplifies operation, and the included measuring cup doubles as a butter melting tray. Users appreciate the compact, portable design, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. Cleanup is a breeze with the removable top cover and easy-to-wipe heating chamber. One user highlighted its quick operation, simplicity, and ease of cleaning, while another praised the clean, oil-free process and the ability to customize flavors with various recipes. Overall, the Vminno popcorn maker is praised for its efficiency, ease of use, and healthy popcorn preparation.